Yes, sir.
I'm out of time on
Yes, sir. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Alcohol little. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta come back down. Who in the hell now? Stick to someone's level. 5 dozen flies buzzing over your head. Call me the Grim Reaper. Sleep is my cousin. You talk to me now and I'ma be the last you see. For you dying cousin. My eye are tigers and I'm a survivor. So I will rise up and be triumphant when I'm looking at my legacy.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here first?
What's going on? This is Pro Shine Audio. We got 4 Def Bars 12 on TAR 8K.
Okay.
2 3Ks on the back door. 3K on the front door. Tempano, 2 doors on each side. 4 10s on each door. 3 tweeters. 4 tweeters on each door.
Wow. All right. This is solid. You got like a solid roof too.
I'm trying to get it right.
Yes, sir.
I'm out of time on those are the D2 SuperSport. They discontinued now, so I'm trying to save them as long as I can.
Let's not blow nothing today.
I'm gonna get that my boy John. He the one built the Bonce.
Okay. Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed us getting a full musical walk around of his system as well as a breakdown of the equipment. I wish I could have got a little bit more in depth, but sorry I didn't. There was really a lot of music and systems playing around us, so much distortion, copyright, music, everything, all of the above you have to deal with. But it was a really great show. We made it. This is the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021 is when I recorded his system. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the way he has his actual big panel door pods for all his speakers and tweeters on the side of his door, as well as having the subwoofer box to be able to fit all of this cone area with all of these amplifiers and components to make this system work out. So much was done to make this system make it to the show. Did a really good job. Be sure to give him a like. I don't really know all of the components that actually amounted to the box, but it didn't seem like there was anywhere else to put them. So he got the job done, put them there. So this is a full 4 12-inch subwoofers on a total of 8,000 watts for the subs, and there's probably over 10,000 watts between all the amplifiers for his mids, highs, speakers, tweeters, etc. He told us a little rundown of it, so check out the details in the description if you want to know all the details. And we're getting to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing with the notification bell on for daily car audio videos coming your way. Enjoy. Yes, sir.
For what it's worth, you are a slutty first. If the world had a dick, you fuck the earth. I tried to get over you, it doesn't work. You're still a cunt, you're still a fucking jerk. Same as it ever was. It ever was. Say it'll change, but it never does. Ain't gonna ever cause. You're the cause of my pain and the medicine. Never met someone who played games in my head as much. They tethered us together. Fellas put the calendars, skeletons. Everyone's got a bunch. You a Cinderella bun. Is it a step above? Take a step above.
Let's not blow nothing today. All right, man. Hey, thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
I'm gonna get that my boy John. He the one built the sponsor.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.